Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy Mini Video Edition. Then with what the freak is going on? Oh, that's right. Let's see what we got here. We have JetBlue Airways 143 taking off to Palm Beach International Airport. That's an A320, that's 231. We got a couple Spirits, a bunch of Uniteds. We have a FedEx that just came in a few minutes ago. That FedEx is operated by Mountain Air Cargo. 8310, that came in from JF Green International Airport, which is located in Providence. Hello, Moo. Thank you for tuning in today, and welcome to today's live stream. Oh, what we got? We got a livery. No freaking way. That's getting clipped. That is the Vegas Golden Knights livery coming in from Cincinnati. Oh, I was not expecting that. We will take it though. That is neat. You love to see it. There's that livery from earlier. I'm gonna give y'all a better look. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let's take a look at that gorgeous livery. We're gonna zoom in on that. That one with the sun on it, that came from Cincinnati earlier. That is the Golden Knights livery. I was not expecting to see that, but we will take that nevertheless. That Frontier Airlines, that is, if I recall correctly, that is Ferndale. Is that Ferndale? Ferndale the Barn Owl? I forgot which one that was. But funny story with that one. That was supposed to be my flight going to Norfolk, Virginia last year, but then my flight got delayed by 13 hours. Friendly reminder, if you have not eaten, taken your meds, drank water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And
Cowboy.
Now, with
Hello.
that being said,
thank you for tuning in
please
today.
continue to enjoy today's featured presentation. I hope all is well with everybody today. Thank you for tuning in. I greatly appreciate that. That livery is just so beautiful. You just gotta love it. My Christmas was so-so, but it was blessed overall. All it needs to be is blessed. Physically speaking, I was not feeling Christmas yesterday, but today I'm in a better mood. So I was recovering from a headache, and my family really didn't do much yesterday, or rather anything at all, so I was rather disappointed. Okay, I was pissed. I ain't gonna lie, but hey, honesty is the best policy. But my Christmas was blessed, and now I get to be here with you guys, giving you what I was gonna give you yesterday, which is a beautiful live stream. All right, we're about to... Hey, Guffy! Oh my goodness, I did not expect you this morning. Hello, Guffy. All right, let me show you this livery again. We're gonna take our attention off the runway. Focus on that Vegas Golden Knights livery right there. Flight number 361.
1449 North Tower, good afternoon, wind 350 at 5, runway 4 right, clear to land. Runway 4 right, clear to land, yeah, 1449.
And to everybody that's watching, I hope you enjoyed the holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa. whatever you celebrate. I hope all is well.
Contact ground, good day.
Hee-haw Cowboy, I do not have Twitch. I do have Twitch, I just don't use it. And honestly, I don't like the configurations on it, so I never bothered to use it. So my Twitch account is inactive, but it is in existence. There we go. That's the word I was looking for. Overall, I just don't use Twitch. Not my style. And plus, I already have too many. I don't feel the need to be on too many social media platforms, so I'm not bothering. Arriving in from Hartsfield Jackson International Airport is Delta Airlines 2401. And then getting ready to depart, we have Porter Airlines 2188. Heading to Billy Bishop Regional Airport, that is a de Havilland Canada -8-400. Yeah, I'm not with that because I need every dollar I could get. Especially since I'm a full-time content creator. I'm not in the mood for that. YouTube already takes taxes. I'm not beat for anything else. Alright, we're gonna zoom out a little bit because we got Allegiant. We have Allegiant.
2401, exit top of 3, hold short of 4 left 6 kilo.
I'm not gonna lie, I may come out and stream during a snowstorm tomorrow. I'm uncertain. I don't have boots. I would love some boots, but who knows? I may. If the roads is clear, I will consider it. I will consider it. No promises. You'll just have to find out when I click that live button, you know? Jazz Aviation 877 getting ready to take off for Lester B. Pearson International Airport. And to answer your question, they're calling for 4 to 8 inches, maybe 10 inches of snow in my area. If anything, I just hope we get a full-fledged blizzard. I just hope we get like 2 feet of snow. I'm just being honest with you. I'm being flat out honest. I love snowstorms. There we go. As long as I don't move it, there we go. I'm good.
Tower lower, Canada 584 with you, right. Air Canada 584, North Tower, causeway, turbulence on heavy Boeing 787, wind calm, 4 right, clear to land. Clear to land, 4 right, Air Canada 584. United 995, heavy frequency traffic, no factor. Thank you.
All right, we have Allegiant. They're just getting ready to take off for Las Americas International Airport. That's in Santo Domingo. I like snow, but driving in it is a nightmare nowadays. I mean, you kind of, to be fair, I'm going to be honest with you, bluntly honest. I don't mean this in any form of disrespect or anything. But anybody that wants a car, ends up getting a license and has a car, you signed up for that. You signed up for that the moment you signed your lease for the car, etc., etc. So what comes with the car is also weather conditions. So you kind of hold yourself back in a way. Yes, it's the independence, I get it, but it's the principle. United Airlines 995 coming in from Brussels International Airport. That is a Dreamliner -10. And then we got Allegiant heading to Las Americas. That is a B737-8 Max. Goodbye, Allegiant. I need to live in Hawaii. Want to come with? I don't mind. I want to live in Hawaii. If I become successful as a YouTuber, there's 2 states I would consider out west. California and Hawaii. Those would be the only 2 states I would consider out west. Any other state? I don't think so. Maybe Colorado, simply because of the high chances of snow, the mountains, etc. I would love that. I would love that. Colorado would be the 3rd state I recommend myself. On the runway, we have American Airlines 1700 getting ready to depart for Dallas Fort Worth International Airport.
Runway 4 left to Mike.
Las Vegas would be nice about now. I lived there for a few years. It's hot, 115 degrees Fahrenheit and with like 8% humidity. Yeah, no thank you. That is not my type of weather. 50 shades of no.
Dominican 2311.
50 shades of no. I'm dark enough as it is. Thank you.
American 1700, wind 030 at 4, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff.
Referring a hot area to a brown skin guy is like asking for your bacon to be overcooked. You just don't want it. You just don't want it. Next up on the runway is the Vegas Golden Knights livery. Is this gonna be the last time we see it? Thank you, but I mean that with every ounce of my soul. 50 shades of no. 50 shades of no. That's not happening. What we got coming in? We have Air Canada coming in from Calgary International Airport. That is MAX 8 as well.
Cross 4 left to Echo ground, yeah, 1449.
And then we got a heavy behind it.
Mike, cross 4 left, contact ground, see it. American 1700, contact departure, good day. Departure, good day, American 1700.
Most people don't like to hang out in the sun in Vegas. I don't like the heat. I love the cold. Give me all the snowstorms. I will take snowstorms with no problem. No. I really feel a disturbance in the air. Oh, no, I don't. No, I don't. Thank God. Oh, God. I don't like that feeling. We're 1 like away from 40, so whoever wants to be the 40th like, I would greatly appreciate that. Then we can shoot for 50. There we go. We're at 40 likes. Thank you so much. There we go. There goes the livery. I'm so sorry. Thank you for watching today's featured video, and please have a blessed day.